Well, as you can see, we hit a fair bit of bad weather on our trip to Scotland. So let's hit it. Is that really my bike? So good clean coming up. I'll have the belly pan off there. Get right underneath it all. Straight to that. And all this gritty, dusty stuff on the wheels. Still had like salt on the roads up in Scotland there, I think. Yeah, see the piles of it in there. The amount of horse muck or cow shit on the road was unbelievable. But I'll get there. Couple of days probably. I've got the state of that. Okay, I'll get it sorted. Okay, so for those of you who watch my channel regularly, you'll know that I'm so much happier now the bike is almost back to normal. I've had 3 hours on it now, but I'll leave it for the day. I'll leave that bottom panel off and just detail it a little bit more. And the funny thing is, that's not just the dirtiest my VFR has ever been. I think it's the dirtiest any bike I've had has ever been. I don't know what it was. Even when we're over the Alps and we get caught in snow and such like. Just, I don't know what was on the roads. I think just about everything they could put on them. Horse muck, cow muck, grit, salt. But I wouldn't care. Second day we had a cracking ride, lovely weather, and the day after, so I'm not complaining about the weather, just the state of the roads. But yeah, it takes a bit of work, but it's all worth it if you like to keep the bike nice. So there we are, all done, or nearly all done. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.